All right, today guys, we have another video today for you on Proper Luxury Productions, and it's a cheap one, but it's going to take a 2-day process to do so. And we painting calipers.
It's not a game, it's a rich game.
Sounds like a rubber. He spun that in a second. So let's see how big these calipers are, Jake. So these suckers are pretty big. But the one thing I would say that I'm not happy about the GT350 is why do they come this way? There is nothing that looks gorgeous about it except the Brembo part. That looks good. Brembos are amazing. But this is just how the caliper came out of the mold or however it was formed. So, that being said, we're going to make it a little bit more sexier. So watch the process as we go through to paint these suckers. And the way we're going to remove some excess stuff on there, brake dust and everything, is we're going to blast it. Media blast it. Introducing the one and only amazing miniature schnauzer. Introduce yourself, buddy. What's your name? Tell everybody. It's Hunter. His name's Hunter. Step number 1, taking the tires off the car. Now there's a couple ways you could do it. You can do it by hand or you can do it by air. And we choose air every time.
Wanna go for a ride? Yeah? You wanna go for a ride in the Shelby?
Hi everyone, we just got done taking the calipers off the 350 and as you can tell they need to be cleaned. The car comes with Brembo calipers that perform very well. It's equipped with a 6-piston front caliper and a 4-piston rear caliper. Again, that really gives you the bite when needed and needed most. We're using a process known as Dustless blasting to strip everything we do not want on the caliper when painting. This machine uses recycled glass and high pressure water from a 300 CFM compressor. As you can see, they look brand new as we're going along. This will allow the paint to correctly adhere to the surface of the caliper and make it look professionally graded. Again, if you guys have any questions or interested in dustless blasting, you can find our website in the description below. We just recently started a YouTube channel for that as well. We posted some of our recent projects there, as well as the Z28 we just stripped with paint. So go check that out. And again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
finishing touch. Not too bad, eh? I think it turned out pretty good.
No, I agree.
So we're putting back the calipers on, then we're going to bleed the whole system again, and then We'll put the wheels on and we'll see what it looks like. Hold it on your third.
Yep.
Okay. Now do not release
Okay.
until I say release.
Okay.
If it starts dropping, drop with it.
Okay.
But don't go extremely hard. Don't push it to where you're killing yourself.
Okay.